from the Gannon's YouTube channel. Today we're learning about Skidoos.
Skidoos? What kind?
Polaris.
Polaris. Is that the best Skidoo? Oh, really? Are we only learning about Skidoos?
No.
What else?
Dirtbikes.
Dirt bikes. Do you have a dirt bike?
Yeah.
Wow, what color is your dirt bike?
Blue.
What color is your Skidoo?
Blue.
Is blue your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what do you do on Skidoo?
Go in snow.
Really? What else?
Do jumps.
Do jumps? How does a Skidoo work?
When you turn it on.
And then what do?
You hit the button.
Is that the gas?
Yes.
And how does it drive? On wheels?
On skis.
On skis.
And tracks.
And a track. Does it go fast?
Yes.
Yeah? And how does a dirt bike work?
You turn the key on.
Yeah? And does that go on skis too?
No.
What does that one work on?
Wheels.
Wheels? Wow! Are you going to show us how to drive a Skidoo and a dirt bike?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are we going to do a lesson on how to drive a mini Skidoo?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to say to your YouTube followers?
Thank you for subscribing.
And say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Go to bed.
Go to bed, sleepyhead.
Wave.